something else.
Learning probabilities as a fraction, decimals, or percentages. Today you're going to be learning how to do fractions, decimals, or percentages, or knowing more about it. Hopefully you learn, and yeah. Today you are at raffle, and one of the prizes is the Play System 4, but special edition. Yeah. And there's 10 people there. All 10 people have well, including you. So you're the 10th person. All of you have 3 tickets. So there's 30 tickets in all, and you have 3. So you can see right over here. Right over here. That's a fraction of the chance you're gonna get it, and there's also a mind build game that you're also gonna get with it, but that has a different chance that you're gonna get it. There's a higher chance that you're gonna get it. Let's say you want the new mind build game. The mind build game is a 3 in 10 chance you're gonna get it. There's 3 people who have 3 tickets, including you, and there's 1 person who has 1 ticket because he couldn't afford the other tickets. So now we have to see how likely you're gonna get this in decimals and in percentages. Now you're going to find out how to do percentages. So the first step doing percentages is doing this. So to find out how to get the percentage, you have to do x over 100. Sorry. First thing you have to do is find out what's the shortest denominator. Well, how can you make the smallest possible fraction? So you should know that. If you don't, I don't know how, you can just search that up or something. So let's do equal and to do this. So to know. So what is the smallest common denominator in all of these? Okay. So this one has 1. It has 2. It has 3. Okay, now since that's the max that 3 could have, now let's do 3. So 3 has 1 and 3. So that means we divide both of them by 3. So top will equal 1. Let's divide by 3. And the bottom will be 10. Let's divide by 3. So it's 1 over 10. Then we have to find out how much 1 over 10 is in x over 100. Well, so how much is that? It equals to 10. So x is equal to 10. And so it's 10 over 100, which that's 10 times 10 to equal 100, and 10 times 10 to equal... Well then we do 10 times 10 times 1. Well, no, do 10 times 1 to equal 10. Which means that for the Play System, you get a 10% chance to get the Play System. Since 10 over 100 is 10%. Now it's your turn. You have to do the mind game. Well, whatever I call it, the mind game. And you have to find out how much percentage it is on a paper. And I'm gonna tell you the answer. So just pause the video, and when you unpause it, I'll be telling you the answer. If you got 30%, you are right. But in this particular problem, there wasn't any lower common denominator, so that means that was the lowest common denominator. Well, that was the lowest common fraction, whatever it's called. So that means you know percentages. If you don't know percentages, rewatch this video. Well, the segment of the video, and yeah. Let's say you want big small universe, but there's only a small chance to get it. What would be that chance? But your mom wants you to put the chance as a decimal. So the fraction percentage I will show you. There's only a 1 over 100 chance that you get big little universe. But if you get it, well you have to know the decimal. So how to figure out the decimal? Well, right here, it's pretty simple. You only need 100. It's pretty simple. So the first letter is the number. So let's commit this, right? Because this number right here, is not a full number. It's 100th of a chance you get it. So I'd put it 0.1. Because if you have 1 here, that means it's certain you're gonna get it. But this is like tenths. So let's say if it's 10, then it would be like this. So that would be the same thing for 100, just go up 1. And so you only have 0.01% chance that you get it. Now, you want to get infinite Pew Pew, but there's only a slight chance that you get Mon Pew Pew Fair remastered with it. Because you get like a raffle, you have to pay for the raffle. So you pay for the raffle, and you want to know what are your odds. So then you get now you have to put it into a decimal by yourself. I'm gonna give you the fraction, and then you have to pause the video, and then you have to do the math. If you got 0.25, you are correct. How we got to this answer, I will explain. So first, since this is not 100 over 1, we have to make it 100. So we have to figure out how many times 4 goes into 100. I'll be back. 4 goes into 100 25 times. So put 100 down there, and then put 25 about here, because then we times it by 25. Right? And now that we times it by 25, we know that it's 25 over 100, which is, like I explained before, 100 over 25 then, 0.25. So that means the chance of you getting Mon Pew Pew Fair remastered with your infinite Pew Pew is 0.25. So today, you learned how to do writing probabilities as fractions, decimals, or percentages. Well, and percentages, of course. So today, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something out of it, or at least I hope you improved your knowledge of probabilities. And yeah, thank you for watching.